I am so happy to be offering my introduction to clinical EFT tapping for mental health professionals. It's going to be on October 9th. Why it thrills me is because I love sharing in a very interactive way so that the people who attend have confidence that they can introduce it to their clients, they can use it with them, and go deeper than those videos that you often see online using EFT tapping, kind of like mine. With clinical EFT tapping, we go much deeper to the specifics of what each client needs. I would be thrilled if you would join me. It's going to be a limited amount of people who can attend, given the interactiveness of this virtual workshop. Additionally, you'll have the opportunity to earn 3 CE units. Please click on the link below to register, read more about the workshop, and I hope I see you there. It would be great. Thank you so much.